My name is Evelyn Nembo and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing. Yay! So, what is it? I guess we'll find out. Here's the box. What do you guys think it is? Uh-oh. I don't think... Do you want me to shake it so you can guess here? A box in a box. Oh, look at that. Okay. This one. And as most of you guessed it, shoes. So, shoes and why? I've been going to the gym and my feet hurt during cardio. And during cardio, I'm using New Balances and I have Nikes and they're hurting me. And I don't know if they're because I'm doing something new. I really don't know. But point is, I reached out to my coach and I told her that my feet were killing me. And she's like, well, I use these shoes to run and they're the best thing ever. And so I trust her, as you guys know, and I went for it. I went for the purchase and here they are. Ta-da! They do have a little bit of reflective. I love things that have reflective material on it. It has it right here, and there's a little bit on the letters, but it's mostly like right here. I don't think the camera's catching it. And so these, opening for the first time, the reason why, once I saw the website, they came in wide. And I think I'm a person that needs wide now because it's my toes that are the problem. That's what's really hurting, actually. I think I'm purchasing a lot of shoes that are aesthetically pleasing, which is like that narrow look. So I got these wide and I got them, they're called Bondi 9. The shoe is the Bondi 9. I'm super excited to get started with my program. My coach wants me to lift, and then after, since I'm on a cut, she wants me to do cardio. And I already have asthma, so that's a thing working against me. But I think I'm starting to have it a little bit more under control since I'm starting to move and trying to change my diet so that I'm having foods that are more like anti-inflammatories, like removing chile and milk and so on. And so then I would fall into my feet hurt. So I wouldn't even last long on the treadmill. I would force myself like 15 minutes and I was like, okay, I can't handle it. My feet hurt. I gotta get off already. And today I actually made sure to cut my toenails, and I'm really excited to take these to the gym after I lift, put them on, and see how they hold up. If anyone has had these before or used these right now, please tell me how they're working for you. I think it's a really cool shoe. Even like the color, it looks like a brown, but I feel like it's a pink. It can go both ways. It could go for like a pink, a soft pink, or like a tan, right? It's a little bit confusing. I like it. I love it, actually. I'm really excited. It feels like a good shoe. And looks breathable as well. So we shall see. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick little video. Have a great day.